what it is? It is a car carrier trailer, known also as an auto transporter. It consists of a frame, wheels, gas tank, seat, steering wheel, engine, front fender, a cab, a muffler, a little ladder to get in, bumper, grille, cab protector, an exhaust pipe, and lights to see in the dark. And as we said, it is used to transport cars. A car like this one consists of a frame, front and rear wheels, a seat for our driver, a steering wheel, body, a roof, door, a bumper. As all cars do, it also has to have windows and windshield, back and front lights, mufflers, a hood, and where can we go without an engine? The car is ready to go. Auto transporters are designed to efficiently transport passenger vehicles via truck. We can use our open auto transporter for loading and offloading cars. To take part in a car racing. It is a race car that can run very fast. Hurry up, let's complete the race car. Start from the frame. Then add wheels, a seat, a steering wheel to control the car properly, then the body and the roof of our racing car. Attach a door, a bumper, windows, and don't forget the lights. Hidden engine. Ready? Let's give it a try. Our pink car is going to race with the green and orange cars. Soon we will find out who is the fastest. Cars at the ready. Go! Look, the orange car is leading. Now the green car is in the lead. Now the last lap of the race. Yes! The pink car is the winner. That was an unpredictable race. Hello! For assembling a monster truck, first of all we need a frame. Now let's attach the shocks on both the rear and front suspension. Then put on the wheels, a seat for a driver, a steering wheel to control the car, a cab, a door and a rear fender. Now let's put on the rest of the parts of the truck, an exhaust pipe, a bumper, mufflers, grille, windows and windshield. This is an assembled monster truck. It can run long, dangerous miles. It can jump, do backflips, smash cars, go through stony and muddy places. And sometimes it can get dirty as well. What can we do? You don't mind to clean it up, do you? Let's use a car washing soapy sponge and then rinse it with water. Here it is, clean again. Hi everyone, come and take part in the assembly of a crane truck with the help of which we are going to collect the parts: xylophone, frame, gas tank. Wheels, instrument panel, engine, steering wheel, a seat, a cab, bumper, mufflers, front fender and lights are the parts common to all trucks, except of course the hook, boom and boom supporter. We assembled a very attractive tow truck, didn't we? Now let's make the xylophone. The xylophone is a musical instrument and it consists of wooden bars struck by mallets. Let's play and see how the notes sound. It is time to assemble a dump truck. First, let's take a truck frame. Next comes gas tank. And hydraulic reservoir. Then let's put the wheels. And the front fenders. A hoist cylinder. Mufflers. little ladder and a bumper. Now let's install an open box bed. A seat for the driver, steering wheel, instrument panel, engine and grille. Then we will put cab, a door and a window, cab protection and an exhaust pipe, marker lights, tail lights and headlights. Finally, our dump truck is ready. The dump truck is used for transporting heavy materials for dumping them. Heavy materials like circles of blue, red and green. Then squares of purple, orange, blue and yellow. And triangles of red, blue, pink, green and violet. Work is done. Bye! Today we'll assemble a crane. Let's start from its boom and hook. Then we'll attach the cab for our driver and trucks. The crane is ready. It is going to the construction site. It has a difficult task to complete. Do you see the construction tubes in the trailer? The crane has to put the tubes in the hole. It is doing it perfectly. Now let's use an excavator to cover them with soil. Done. But we haven't finished yet. Here comes the dump truck with asphalt. Let's unload it. And finally, the road roller. Road rollers are used in the final stages of construction to make the road even. That's all. The road is ready.
Please click on the picture to see other funny videos.